Using synonyms to sharpen your English, clarifying meanings in conversation. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we'll focus on a fascinating topic: using synonyms to clarify meaning. As you know, synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning. However, they are not always interchangeable because context matters. Today, we're going to dive deep into understanding how to choose appropriate synonyms to make our conversations more precise and interesting. So, let's get started. Synonyms can serve as an excellent tool to enrich our language and avoid repetition. They can help us express ourselves more clearly and make our conversations or writings more dynamic. However, remember, not all synonyms can be used interchangeably, as their connotations or specific contexts can differ. Understanding this nuance is crucial in choosing the most appropriate word for your conversation. Context is one of the most important aspects to consider when choosing synonyms. The context includes the general setting of a conversation, the subject matter, the tone, and the intended meaning. For example, the words childish and childlike are synonyms because they both relate to the qualities of a child. However, childish often carries a negative connotation, implying immaturity, while childlike has a more positive or neutral connotation, implying innocence. The context and intended meaning will help you decide which word to use. In some cases, you may need to use synonyms to clarify or emphasize the meaning you want to express. This is often done by using two or more synonyms together to paint a clearer picture. For instance, if you want to express that someone is very happy, you might say they are joyful, ecstatic, or elated. Here, each synonym adds a slight variation to the overall picture of happiness. Now that we understand the concept, let's get some practice. When practicing, try to replace common words in your sentences with synonyms. But remember to consider the context and ensure that the synonyms fit well. Try writing or speaking about a subject, first using more simple words, and then replacing those with more advanced synonyms. This practice can help you improve your conversational vocabulary. And there you have it. We've explored the importance of using synonyms to clarify meaning and enrich our conversations. Remember, understanding the context is crucial when choosing the appropriate synonym. Continue practicing to get more comfortable with using synonyms in your conversations. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're excited to see how your vocabulary will grow and shine. Keep practicing, and stay curious. Happy learning!